In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to create a complete ebook quickly and efficiently. We'll follow a simple, repeatable process that takes you from a blank page to a polished ebook, with Claude working as your AI writing partner throughout the process. Let's begin. Open your web browser. Head towards Claude AI official website. Once Claude is open, click New Chat on the left to start a fresh conversation. Starting a new chat helps keep the ebook project organized and gives Claude a clean context to work with. In the message box, paste a detailed prompt that clearly explains your ebook topic, target audience, writing style, chapter structure, and the type of information you want included. The more specific your instructions are, the easier it will be for Claude to produce useful and relevant content. Here's a ready-to-use prompt that you can pause the video and copy. You can also customize the topic and audience to match your own ebook idea. Help me create a complete ebook from start to finish. Topic: How to earn money online. Target audience: entrepreneurs, freelancers, students, and working professionals. Next, give Claude clear instructions for the ebook. Ask it to create 8 to 10 well-structured chapters with useful subheadings, including an introduction, practical tips, examples, and a conclusion. For the topic of earning money online, tell Claude to cover legitimate methods such as freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses, content creation, and remote work. Keep the writing simple, friendly, practical, and engaging, while also including advice for beginners, tips for avoiding scams, and ways to build sustainable online income. Then have Claude first create the chapter outline. Write each chapter based on that outline, and refine the content for clarity and readability. Finally, ask it to suggest an engaging title, subtitle, and introduction, along with basic tips for formatting and publishing the finished ebook. After pasting the prompt, press Enter and let Claude generate the outline and content. It will typically begin by creating the chapter structure and then move on to drafting the individual chapters. If Claude stops before finishing, simply type Continue from where you stopped and let it carry on. Once the first draft is ready, take some time to review the content. This is where you can customize the ebook and make it sound the way you want. If a section feels too short, ask Claude to expand it with additional explanations, examples, or practical advice. If the writing sounds too formal or too casual, ask Claude to change the tone. You can also ask it to shorten lengthy chapters or add more detail when a topic needs deeper coverage. You can continue this back-and-forth process until the chapters have a consistent style and the overall ebook flows naturally. When you're satisfied with the final draft, copy the content into a document editor such as Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Apply clear heading styles to your chapters and subheadings so you can easily generate a table of contents. You can also add relevant images, graphics, quotes, or other visual elements to make the ebook easier and more enjoyable to read. Finally, export your finished ebook in a suitable format, such as PDF, EPUB, or a Kindle-compatible format, depending on where you plan to publish it. Using this workflow, Claude AI can help you move from a simple idea to a well-structured ebook much faster, while still giving you control over the content, style, and final presentation. Thank you for watching.